We're down to 40 seconds. Okay, we're bringing you in here at 30 seconds. We want you to stay behind the line though, guys. 30 seconds. We're going to give you a 10-second countdown. We can count it down together. We're down to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's so boring. Yeah. I didn't see. Oh, there's Graham. Yeah. He was further behind. So funny. Graham's got a thing taped to his watch with where he's supposed to be. Where? I will. Go then. Be right there. Yeah. But very often a start isn't that wide. This is different than the three, but often it goes in.
Thank you for coming today. We really appreciate it. On behalf of the Longboat Roadrunners, thank you so much. Thank you.
Actually, it's quite good if you're fairly new. Just about finished.
Any of you spectators, just want to let you know that when they come by here on the 5K mark, you still have time to get back to the finish. So you can watch them here and see them at the finish. It's about a 5-minute walk to the finish. And they're going to take at least 15 minutes to get there.
God, that would be the winner.